Let's look at question number 7. Preparing partners account. Donna and Alvin entered into partnership on 1st of January 2018. So it shows that they just started this partnership, so there will be no balances for especially your current account. So normally there might be some balance on the debit side or the credit side to show what happens in the previous year. Okay, now let's just begin everything. Interest on drawing should be charged 7% per annum. Each partner to receive interest on fixed capital of 10% per annum. Alvin should receive an annual salary of 12,000. Remaining profit or losses should be shared equally. So the ratio here is 1:1. Now let's start with the capital account where we just need to bring down the balance on 31st December 2018. So here we can just write balance brought down and write 116,000. Yeah. Alvin would be 140,000. And that's it. There's nothing much to do with the capital account. Once that's done, we need to look at the next one, which would be drawings. On this drawings account. So let's look at what we can draw here. So it says interest on total drawings. This one doesn't include inside your drawings account. All we need to do is just put in the balance on 31st December 2018. I can just copy this in. Click here. And then there will be an amount of 22,000 for Donna. And then drawings for Alvin will be 24,000. And that's it. There's nothing else that you need to do here. Okay. Once everything is done already, we need to appropriate all these things into our appropriation account. So we start from profit for the year. Profit for the year is how much do we make? 58,000 during the year 31st December. So we're just going to write 58,000 here. Done. Okay. Now we need to think on what to do after this. We need to distribute all this profit first before sharing them. So the sharing part is the last one where we share the residual profit or the loss. The first thing that we need to do is we need to add interest on drawings. So if we need to add interest on drawings, we need to add according to the people. So Donna will be 22,000 multiplied by 10%. Because, no, 7%, sorry. Because it said that you need to pay 7% interest on drawings. So 7% of 12,000 would be 840. So I'm just going to put it here because I need to total them up. And then Alvin will also be 7% of 24,000. So just change this. Double it. 1680. So as you can see, the more you draw, the more you have to pay in terms of interest. So this is the total amount that will be added into our profit for the year. So these two will be added. Profit for the year at this one here. So you get 60,520. So now, this 60,520, we need to redistribute them in accordance to the amount of fixed capital. So now we need to reduce it because we're giving it away. Fixed capital. So Donna, 10% of 160,000. Alvin, 10% of 140,000. 16,000, 14,000. Total amount 30,000. So you're going to reduce it. So this is actually a negative amount. So you're supposed to write it in a bracket. I'm just going to write this minus this here. In your paper, you should write it as a bracket to show that it is a subtraction. And then we get 30,520. Now we need to give away 12,000 worth of salary. So less again. Since there's only one person, I'm just going to put it here. Alvin, 12,000. Draw a line. Thanks, we're going to get 18,520. This amount will be shared equally. So now let me just draw another line here. And then now I'm just sharing my residual profit. Share of residual profit. Since it is said that they will share equally, so Donna will get 50%, which is half of 18,520. Alvin will also get the same. So here your calculation should be, well, this one divided by 2. Same thing, this one divided by 2. And here you're just supposed to show to the examiner that you total them up and they are the same. Well, they should be the same because you got the amount from there to divide by 2. Okay, the next one that we need to do is we need to go into their current account. So as you can see, what goes into Donna's current account would be highlighted in yellow, Donna, Donna, and Donna. Whatever goes into Alvin's account will be highlighted in green. These are all the amounts that will go into the account. So you can see. So Donna will be yellow in color, Alvin will be green in color. So current account acts like your capital account. So since it doesn't have a balance, we don't need to bring down the balance. We're just going to start on the right-hand side. All the adding ones, you're going to put it to the right. It means that which one would add to your capital. So first one that will add would be interest on fixed capital. So just going to put in 31st December 2018. So there'll be something as well. There's something until. Okay. So the first one here would be 16,000, which will be interest on borrowing. Interest on, sorry, interest on capital. Same thing here, interest on capital for Alvin. So Alvin will get 14,000. Okay, let's just finish up Donna's one first. So we've done 16,000 this one, and then we have a share of profit. 18,520. So out of this amount here, a portion of it needs to be, well, minus out as interest on drawing. So interest on drawing is actually a consequences where when you draw, you need to pay this amount, which is for Donna is 840. And then on top of the interest on drawings, you also took out a certain amount from the company, which is a total of 22,000. So it should be calculated here as drawings. So in your drawings account, you should put here as current account. You need to sort this out. It means that this one has been calculated. So current account, Donna, so that we don't bring it forward to the next year. So this 22,000 has been addressed so that in the future, all your interest on drawing does not include this 22,000 because it has been included in the calculation when we are distributing the current account. So if you look at it properly here, you need to see whichever side that has a surplus, which is on the right-hand side is 34,520, and the left-hand side is 22,840. So all we need to do is now we need to balance it off. So before we balance it, let me just do Alvin, do the same thing as well. So interest on capital, then we have salary of 12,000, and then we have share of residual profit sorry, the share of profit is 9,260. Each of them gets 9,260. So once these are done, and then this one is interest on drawing, and then drawing. So interest on drawings would be 1680, and drawings would be 24,000. Right. Now let's just see which side is more. This side will be more. So let's just find the balance carried down. This is the balance carried down. And we're just going to sum it up first. And draw lines. Draw lines. Do the same thing here. Draw lines. Draw lines. This amount, balance carried down. Then I'm just going to bring it and balance brought down at the bottom here. Balance brought down. 420. And the sum here. And the sum here. And just put the date as 1st of January 2020. 2019, sorry. And that would be all.